Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make pav bhaji. This is really tasty recipe. I hope you guys will like it. For making pav bhaji we need 2 potatoes, 2 tomatoes, some cauliflower, 1 chopped beetroot, 2 capsicum finely chopped, 2 carrots finely chopped, some finely chopped coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, 1 lemon, 2 finely chopped onion and some dried fenugreek leaves. Pav bhaji masala 2 tablespoon butter, salt to taste. Heat 1 spoon of oil in a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and pav bhaji masala, little bit butter. Give a quick stir and add all the vegetables except capsicum. Stir it. Add little salt to taste. Add little water into it. Then allow it to cook until 3 whistles in a low flame. Then keep it aside till it become cool down. Heat some oil in a pan. Add some butter. Let it melt. Then add the finely chopped capsicum into it. Give a quick stir. Then add some finely chopped onion. Then stir it. Some salt. Stir it till the onion become transparent. Then add some Kashmiri chili powder and some pav bhaji masala. As we all know that pav bhaji masala is having chili powder in it. So add the chili powder with carefully. Then give a quick stir. Let it cook. Add coriander finely chopped. Then give a quick stir. Then this is the time to add dried fenugreek leaves. We can add it now by crushing it. Now again we will stir it. 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste we will add to it. Then we will stir it till the raw smell will go out. After that we will add the boiled vegetables that we have already boiled. I am adding only the vegetables, not the water. So it will be easy for us for mashing it out. Now I am adding all the boiled vegetables, not the water. So it will be easy for me for mashing it out. After in this point we can add the vegetable water, the boiled water that we got, little amount, and we will mash it again with the help of potato smasher. Give a quick stir. At this point we can add some butter if you want. Then let it cook. Then look, it's almost done. Then we are going to add half lemon water, the lemon juice. Then give a quick stir. Let it boil. Now the bhaji is ready. Now we are going to prepare the pav. In a tawa, I will heat some butter. Little amount of pav bhaji masala. The pav bhaji masala powder. Then the gravy we made is 1 spoon of that and allow it to cook little bit, 2 seconds only. Then I will allow the pav cook from all sides, as you can see it. Now the pav bhaji is ready to enjoy. We will serve it with some onions and lemon. Look how tasty it looks. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hope you will like this recipe. Thank you.